Discover the future of craftsmanship with 20 new game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon. These innovative tools are designed to make woodworking faster, smarter, and more precise than ever. From advanced measuring gadgets to powerful cutting and clamping solutions, each tool brings creativity and efficiency to your workshop. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these next-level tools will completely transform the way you build and create. JessEm Clear-Cut STS Guides. The JessEm Clear-Cut STS Guides provide exceptional precision, safety, and control for table saw users. Designed with firm downward spring pressure, they securely hold workpieces up to 2.5 inches thick, making them ideal for handling large plywood sheets. The 5-degree angled rollers actively pull the material against the fence, ensuring smoother, more accurate cuts. Universal mounting plates allow easy installation on various saw types, including cabinet, job site, and contractor saws. Equipped with one-way roller bearings, these guides effectively prevent kickback, increasing safety. Constructed from premium 304 stainless steel, they deliver durability, stability, and long-lasting professional performance. MICROJIG Blade and Bit Cleaner. The MICROJIG Blade and Bit Cleaner is a smart all-in-one solution for maintaining saw blades and router bits with safety and efficiency. Its magnetic handle ensures safe handling without touching sharp edges or harsh chemicals. The aluminum oxide scouring pad cleans an entire blade side in one smooth motion, while the sealed basin minimizes evaporation and keeps the cleaning solution reusable. The lid's built-in holder can soak up to 5 router bits at once, and the included brass brush aids in pre-cleaning. Compatible with standard household cleaners, this system extends tool life and enhances cutting performance effortlessly. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares. The Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares, FSSQALSET, offer unmatched precision and versatility for woodworking professionals. This set includes both full-size and mini aluminum squares, measuring 1.5 inches by 7.5 inches and 1 inch by 5 inches respectively. Designed for efficiency, they allow you to carry layout lines seamlessly across corners with a single tool placement. The zero-wiggle, tensioned hinge ensures smooth and accurate folding without any lateral play. Ideal for angled joints, cross-dowel layouts, and spline positioning, these tools are crafted with premium American-made quality. Proudly manufactured and inspected in Strongsville, Ohio, Woodpeckers delivers reliability and precision every craftsman can trust. Infinity Tools Fluting Jig Master. The Infinity Tools. Fluting Jig Master is a precision routing system designed for cutting flawless, straight or curved flutes in wood. Built from durable 3/8 inch thick polycarbonate, it works with any plunge or fixed base router and handles stock from 1 to 16 inches wide. The package includes a 3-piece round nose router bit set, a base plate alignment kit, and 4 oversized knobs for quick setup and adjustments. Its 4 precision ball bearings ensure smooth, accurate operation, while the reconfigurable wings allow easy switching between straight and arch flutes. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and versatility in woodworking. Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer. The Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer is a precision tool designed for clean, smooth trimming of laminates and veneers. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, giving users full control for accurate trimming along straight or curved edges. Ideal for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike, this trimmer delivers consistent performance on a variety of materials. Whether you're finishing countertops, furniture, or cabinetry, it provides a great fit and excellent balance. Note that international versions of this product may have different specifications, instructions, or labeling compared to local models, so users should verify compatibility before purchase. UYUSTOOLS, Forstner bits. UYUSTOOLS. Forstner bits are precision-engineered tools built for durability and accuracy. Made from solid hardened carbon steel with cemented carbide cutting tips, they deliver exceptional hardness, impact resistance, and long-lasting performance. The central spur ensures precise positioning, preventing wandering and producing clean, smooth, flat-bottom holes without burrs. An arc curve head design promotes efficient chip removal, reducing heat buildup and clogging. Ideal for drilling hardwood, softwood, plywood, solid wood, and MDF. These bits excel in making hinge, pocket, and overlapping holes. Compatible with bench drills, drill presses, handheld electric drills, and CNC carving machines. They're perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Precision, Mitre trimmer from Infinity Tools. The Infinity Tools. Precision mitre trimmer, item number 101-612, is a heavy-duty, manually operated tool designed for ultra-precise trimming of mitres and square cuts. Built entirely from cast iron and weighing 32 pounds, it ensures unmatched stability and accuracy. Equipped with razor-sharp 1/4 inch thick high-carbon steel blades set at a 45-degree shearing angle, it delivers glass-smooth, tear-out-free finishes, even on end grain. Its rack and pinion, drive with a long handle, allows effortless control, while adjustable cast iron fences lock securely from 45 degrees to 90 degrees. Ideal for both fine and large woodworking projects, it can take whisper-thin shavings for perfect tight-fitting joints. EZARC Sawzall blades and oscillating tool blades. EZARC Sawzall and oscillating tool blades deliver superior cutting performance for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring advanced carbide and cobalt technologies, EZARC's reciprocating saw blades can last up to 50 times longer than standard blades, making them ideal for demolition, metal cutting, and masonry work. Their oscillating tool blades, available in carbide and titanium-coated variants, offer precise, clean, and efficient cuts across materials like wood, metal, and plastic. With universal compatibility and application-specific designs, EZARC ensures durability, accuracy, and versatility for every cutting task. Whether it's deep plunge cuts, flush trimming, or heavy-duty metalwork. Perfect for demanding construction environments. Milescraft 4016 BenchLock. The Milescraft 4016 BenchLock is a highly versatile and durable bench clamp accessory designed to transform any workbench with dog holes into a flexible clamping station. It offers full 360-degree rotation for multi-angle clamping, and its V-groove base securely holds round or irregularly shaped materials. Compatible with 3/4 inch, 19mm, and 20mm dog holes, it installs easily using a tool-free locking system and fits benches up to 2 inches thick. Made from ABS and alloy steel, the BenchLock includes a pocket hole alignment accessory and 90-degree jig, making it perfect for precision woodworking, assembling frames, shelves, and pocket hole joints. Olympia Tools Wood Workbench. The Olympia Tools Wood Workbench series is designed for durability, versatility, and efficient workspace organization. Made from high-quality acacia or rubber wood, each bench features a sturdy solid wood construction finished with a protective varnish. Many models include integrated storage, such as drawers, open shelves, and a built-in vise with adjustable guides for precise clamping. Bench dog holes and a rear project trough add extra convenience for woodworking tasks. Select models offer adjustable height options, heavy-duty steel frames, and mobility through locking casters. Whether for DIY projects or professional use, Olympia's wood workbenches combine strength, functionality, and thoughtful design. Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection Separator. The Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection Separator is a highly efficient pre-filter system designed to enhance shop vacuum performance. Using cyclonic action and a concave baffle, it separates up to 99% of dust and debris before reaching the vacuum filter, extending motor life and reducing maintenance. Its translucent body lets you easily monitor fill levels, while large openings ensure smooth airflow and minimal clogs. The sturdy flange and extended cylinder provide a secure seal, and its universal fit connects seamlessly to most major vacuum brands. Proudly made in the USA, it's ideal for woodworking, auto detailing, and construction cleanup. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule. The Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule is a compact yet highly versatile measuring and marking tool designed by professional woodworker Greg Paolini. It combines multiple functions in one precision-engineered device, making it perfect for layout, measuring, and scribing tasks. Featuring a sliding stop for repeatable markings, a built-in scribing notch for precise lines, and a vertical stand option for hands-free setups, it's ideal for detailed woodworking. Available in anodized aluminum or stainless steel, each rule includes laser engraved scales for lasting accuracy. Offered in 6 inches, 8 inches, and 12 inches, or 150mm, 200mm, and 300mm. Lengths. It's proudly made in the USA. O-School LCD Edge Banding Iron. The O-School LCD Edge Banding Iron is a precision digital tool ideal for applying pre-glued edge banding on wood, furniture, and cabinetry projects. Featuring an LCD temperature display, it allows accurate heat control between 100 degrees Celsius and 220 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, for use on different materials. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions, while the Teflon-coated shoe prevents scorching and ensures smooth application. The iron heats up quickly and includes a protective cotton sock, a sturdy metal stand, and an automatic 6-hour shut-off for safety. Designed for versatility, it excels at handling edges, corners, and curved surfaces with professional precision. Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator. The Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator is a high-efficiency dust collection system designed for 2.5-inch hose shop vacuums. Its patented Cyclone design separates up to 99.9% of dust and debris before reaching the vacuum, protecting filters and maintaining strong suction. Featuring a neutral vane inlet for improved airflow, it ensures smoother operation and higher performance. Constructed from durable, anti-static materials with a translucent body, it allows easy monitoring of dust levels. The Dust Deputy 2.5 fits most vacuums, supports both wet and dry cleanup, and is available in DIY or deluxe kits with reinforced buckets for added durability and convenience. Festool BS75 Belt Sander. The Festool BS75 Belt Sander is a high-performance tool designed for precision, durability and comfort. Featuring a powerful 1010-watt motor and variable speed control, 200 to 380 meters per minute. It delivers exceptional sanding performance on wood and other materials. Its precision belt adjustment ensures uniform sanding results, while the ergonomic design and balanced center of gravity minimize fatigue during extended use. The BS75 includes integrated and external dust extraction options for a cleaner workspace and can be used as a stationary sander with an accessory mount. Housed in a robust aluminum body and packed in a protective Systainer case, it's built for professionals. Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set. The Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set is a precision accessory designed to ensure accurate and repeatable drilling depths. It features adjustable collars that securely attach to drill bits, preventing over-drilling and ensuring consistency, especially useful for dowel joints and fine joinery work. The set typically includes 6, 8 and 10mm stops made from durable aluminum or zinc die-cast metal. Its hinged clamp design, tightened with an Allen key, ensures an even, secure grip without slipping or damaging the bit. Compatible with standard wood, Forstner and cylinder bits, it's ideal for professional woodworking, furniture assembly and precise countersinking tasks. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. The Trend Belfast Sink Jig BS/JIG/PRO is a professional router template designed for precise installation of Belfast, butler and farmhouse sinks. It enables users to cut accurate sink apertures and matching drip grooves in one setup, preventing water damage. With adjustable inset positions for sinks between 340mm and 500mm, and a bridging pin system for larger sinks up to 1000mm, it offers excellent flexibility. Constructed from durable high-pressure laminate, it ensures long-lasting performance. The jig's quick alignment system, T-gauges, and single 30mm guide bush make setup fast and efficient, delivering professional clean results every time.